Vantrue's intelligent AI advanced driver assistance delivers a precise, personalized, and efficient smart driving experience, continuously monitoring your surroundings with instant alerts for potential risks. For first time using it, make sure the lens is installed properly, so it won't block your view or get in the way while driving. Make sure the lens is level, not tilted. Then, go ahead and calibrate the lens. Calibrate on a road with visible lane markings. Make sure lane lines on both sides are clear and unobstructed. It's best to use straight lane lines or a straight road as reference. Keep the car parallel to the reference lines. In the preview, align the red horizontal line with the end of the road, and make sure the vertical line is centered on the road. Position the center of the icon at the vanishing point of the road. It's best to place the vanishing point at 1/3 or halfway up the image. Turn on GPS, and make sure the GPS icon stops blinking. Drive the vehicle at a speed above 13 miles per hour. Make sure the dash cam is recording normally. Calibration cannot be done if time-lapse is enabled. Drive for 1 to 5 minutes under the above conditions. You'll hear a voice prompt saying, "Front camera calibration successful," or the calibration icon will stop blinking, indicating the process is complete. Once the front camera calibration is complete, ADAS warnings will be activated. ADAS warnings include the following alerts: forward collision warning, pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, forward vehicle start alarm, virtual bumper collision alarm. You can leave the switch, sensitivity, and activation speed at their default settings. If you change the front camera's installation position, you'll need to recalibrate following the steps above. Calibrating the rear BSD camera follows the same steps as calibrating the front ADAS camera. Once the rear camera BSD calibration is complete, BSD warnings will be activated. BSD warnings include the following alerts: lane change assist alarm, rear collision warning. You can leave the switch, sensitivity, and activation speed at their default settings. If the rear camera's installation position changes, for example, moving it from inside to outside the car, after installation, you'll need to recalibrate following the steps above. This concludes the camera calibration tutorial for Vantrue Intelligence.